Hey guys, so I took a nap. Our furlough is not working again, so we have to go back again.
Into those two and just say that the fourth day still looks fine, so we'll try and motor sail to either Canaries or Madeira.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, let me go back quickly.
My mom the other day asked me, where does dust come from on the ocean? Like, do you clean up dust? And I was like, that's a very good question. Most of the time it's salt, but when we passed the West Saharan desert areas, loads of like reddish sand showed up on the beach. I mean on the boat. From the air. And like we were nowhere near land, but you could kind of see like a haze in the air. Okay guys, so we left and it was pretty much the same as yesterday. I ended up sleeping for quite a while, except we have not turned around. We are good. Colin's cooking dinner. As you might have noticed, it was pretty bumpy this day. I mean, honestly, this video doesn't even do it justice because sometimes you'd look out the window and all you could see was 100% the surface of the water, which meant that we were like basically almost on our side. I was like freaking out that day. I was on my midnight watch. Tay had come up ready to take over from me when Colin, who was supposed to be asleep, came upstairs, called a meeting and said that he was not happy with the situation.
2 liters an hour is impossible.
That means
We're going to be doing closer to 4 to 5 liters an hour. Going into the river. We haven't got enough. Miracles got to happen. And miracles don't happen out here. The wind always blows from one direction. They happens and they always blow. I wasn't expecting it to be blowing this hard. If we had a head sail and we were sailing, then I'd say it's a totally different. Even if we've got to motor for 2 or 3 days, get through like this, but then you can sail the rest. That's a different story. But this is with us all the way.
sure, I took a video of the weather for the next week.
Oh, I mean,
Second day, we saw the yesterday. Yeah, I mean, shows the direction leads, so it's not really changing.
won't go anywhere. Put the deck light on, please.
Turning around.
Tell me when I can drop, eh? Going too far. Okay. section is pulled out of all the foils.
And you wouldn't be able to get it
Back onto the foils.
without taking the whole thing off, yeah.
No, well, I mean, whatever is holding it into the foils, screws or whatever it is that holds it, the whole thing together. You know, like the screws at the bottom over here, there was no Loctite on them.
So it could run some
Probably
of that.
exactly the same at the top.
Yeah.
What I'm worried about is that the actual forestay is damaged. Because if it's all been twisting like that, on the forestay, then you get the forestay unraveling.
It's also the actual sail itself. You saw like the loop that it's connected at the top.
Yeah.
That's more than halfway frayed now.
Yeah.
And going down a bit.
So it's going to be a new head sail. This boat's going to be here for months now.
Guys, we're headed back to Manila. To be very honest, I'm thinking this is probably the end of the trip for me. Logically. Basically the road